It seems kind of like silly to get so excited about such a thing. Do what the temperature is in the room. And this is the humidity level. I'll come back to this in a second. But literally, they thought of pretty much everything with this product. 3 ways to mount. You can hang it here. This is a magnet, so if you want to stick it on the fridge, this is a little pop-out stand that you can just set it down on the counter. Look at the size of this display. It's a 2-inch screen, and this entire thing is 2.2 inches, but the screen is 2 inches, so I can see it from across the room. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius by simply pressing that button. It is a AAA battery, and it does come with one already in there. Love that. It said it had about an 18-month battery life. I've had this one for about 8 or 9 months and never had to switch it. So you see the little mood indicator right there? That's telling you that you're in a good range. Between 30 and 60% is considered a good range. 30% is too dry, 60% is too wet. I will say that with respect to the thermometer part, it's always spot on. Like the one that's in the house and this one, they're within like 1 degree of one another. I bought this to go with a humidifier that I have because we have like very bad allergies and eczema in this house. And when the winter comes, obviously the heat gets kicked on, that dries out the air, and it just exacerbates all of that. So this tells me when I need to cut on and off my humidifier. I would have no other way of knowing that. This has been an exceedingly helpful tool for that. Okay, so you guys can see this is what it looks like. That's how big the display is. And I wanted to show you how stable the numbers are, because I know when I was filming in the garage, they were jumping all over the place, but that's because I was moving it around. And that goes with this is the humidifier, which I'm gonna do a review on. It is by Lavoie, and I will show you that in another video. It refreshes every 10 seconds, so you're getting a constant, like that's why you see these numbers jumping around. Plus I'm moving it around, and I have all these lights out here. So I mean, yeah, this is not the best environment to demonstrate this. It's so great. I don't know why I didn't get one sooner. A couple people have asked me, is there a calibration feature? There's not. If that is important to you, I would just take out the battery and put it back in, or replace the battery. Boom, recalibrated. I think this would be a great like stocking stuffer or little gift, because it's just good to know what is the temperature in the room that you're in, what is the humidity level, especially if you have any kind of like sinus issues, skin issues that you're dealing with. This is so helpful. I didn't even know this existed in the world until I was looking at the humidifier that I bought. Such a great combination. I just had to share this with you guys. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.